it's Sunday, right? And today's the Lord's Day, right? So we're gonna do a little church right now. Real simple, just be thankful for what you got. That's all it is. So it don't matter, you don't need to be in a house to worship right now. You're just right here with your loved ones, with your family, with your friends. Someone sitting right next to you. Just be thankful for what you got. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm gonna preach today. What you got, what you got, what you got now? Ooh yeah. Oh no, no. What you got, what you got, what you got, yeah. What you got? You got a diamond in the back, sunroof top. You dig in the scene with the gangster lean. You got a diamond in the back, sunroof top. You dig in the scene with the gangster lean. You got a diamond in the back, sunroof top. You dig in the scene with the gangster lean.